What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from Rana. This is Travis Hunter touchdown catch. So first on this channel, I've never drawn a football player, American football player. Drawn like plenty of soccer football players. Don't watch this sport at all, so no idea. Landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're looking at him from behind, catching the ball, so we're full length. Probably start with the helmet. So let's try. So we'll go around like a letter C, I guess, at first. And we'll add some details to it as well to maybe try and make it look a bit more cool. Coming down, and there's like a bit of a ridge or a bump back here. But generally, it's just like a letter C. Okay, it's like a little flat piece here. It looks to me anyway. There's all gear up the front. Right, so like it comes down, and then there's like connection points and everything here for his visor, I would say, right? So there's like a little bump in there. And then it looks like he's got a visor that like comes down the front. And then this has sort of lines like that on top. And then like the wheel that sort of lets it move up and down on the helmet, you know, when he's opening and closing. You know, so there can be a bit of detail in all this now, so but we'll make it a bit easier maybe. So like little sort of circles and sort of edge lines, and then down the back of the helmet, so it's got this detail sort of like that, with some lines coming across. And then there's like a wing in here somewhere. Okay, roughly like that. Do, 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 do. Okay, so now we'll try the torso. So his sort of like, what do you call it, sort of armor stuff, padding armor. So he's got like a shoulder, his arms are up in the air, right? So he's catching the ball up here. So we're bumping around for shoulders, right? Shoulder pads and his armor. Right, we're always sort of bumping with fabric because it's like real tight on his body. So it's like wrapped around his pads and stuff. Okay. So we've got number 12, and like green lines. So we'll just we can add green color to it. It's like a dark green. So 2 there, and then maybe a little bit over here, but you can't really see much of it. And then his number, so again, this is like a wavy number 1 because the fabric is like pulling it, so it's all bumpy like that. And then the number 2. Okay, and I think is like number 1 here, and then just the top of the 2 like that. So I think I'll get his legs in first, and then I'll deal with the catch up here, right? Because hands can be a bit tricky, especially when they're smaller. So we'll go down the way, right? So it looks like he's got like a towel or something on his, a couple of pieces of fabric just kind of hanging down. I'm not sure, maybe it's just to dry his hands for grip and stuff. So let's go. Let's try anyway. Let's go this way for his waist. And then there's like this little piece of fabric just hanging this way, out from his belt, I'd say, looks like. And then he's got like a t-shirt sticking out here. And then the front of his leg, all bumpy. Some pads there. Then the bottom of his shorts kind of just wrap around his knee. And then we go back up for his hamstring. And then his glute. Then his other hamstring behind. So then we have those green lines running down the length of his leg. Some like fabric just. Okay. One leg up, one leg down. So we'll try for a calf muscle first. And then his knee is like sticking out. So here. Shin. And his ankle is kind of strapped, so goes to there. There's like maybe some like knee. And then his boot. So this is like bandage or something. And then his like boots and heel goes that way. It's around like that for the sole of the shoe. Like a little bit of details on this now. Just, is there laces? Looks like there's no laces on these. I like the base of it, and maybe some studs. Right, kind of like that. And his other leg, his legs are thin enough. I suppose that maybe they just look thin. That's like his calf muscle and then his ankle. Small there. Again, top of his boot and some strap. And then this boot points down, so we'll try and get his like heel. You can see the sole of this one. This is blocked by the other player, but I'm kind of just where's like the bottom of this? Kind of, let's see, runs this way, I think. Little details on that. Just like studs, barely visible, they're tiny now. Okay, I think that's the best I can do now for his shoes. We will put, actually we'll put some like grass and stuff coming from the jump, you know, just because there would be like astroturf and stuff in the air, debris. Now we will attempt to do arms, hands, and ball. Okay, so his first, let's see. So his first arm, the leading arm, goes this way. Again, quite thin. And we got like a glove, the start of a glove here. So I'll just stop at the gloves first, and the next one is kind of more muscular on this side. It's not closed over. A bit of a tricep happening here, and then bicep. Elbow then and forearm. Like that, right? So there's like a few more shoulder muscles and stuff that we can see on this side. And then his glove starts there. So let's try for hands. So that, you know, the thumbs are coming together like that, right? So we got like this bumpy glove shape. The thumbs are nearly touching. So it comes around that side. You got this shape. The other thumb, sort of similar. It's all very bumpy and because of the glove that he's wearing. Okay. Right, so two thumbs nearly touching, and then the other fingers are just sprayed out, right? Kind of ready to catch, right? So the back of his hand to be like here, kind of on either side, and the glove makes things a bit fabricy looking, sort of bumpy looking. Right, and then fingers kind of straight up, just like your fingers about the same, like from, you know, on hands, you know, there to there is about the same as there to there, to the bottom of the, yeah, the palm. So this and this are about the same. roughly speaking. Except your pinky because it's smaller, but I mean the distance is probably the same even from the joint, because it goes around. This part is higher up. Just something to think about when you're drawing hands. You want this to roughly be the same as that, not smaller anyway, because it'll look weird. You can barely see his pinky sticking out this side now. Okay, and then this one's nearly touching the ball. Hands are hard, so hit pause a lot if I'm going a bit too fast. They're not easy things to draw, It's even hard for me. So, don't beat yourself up if you're finding it difficult. I always find it difficult. It's just a lot to hands, especially when they're trying to catch a ball. Okay. So that's roughly what his fingers look like. And then we try and do this egg shape football. So pointy. Got a bit of tape up here, but should be okay. All right, and then we got like stitching and stuff. I think it just like sort of stitching lines. And then there is like a white end. There, I think. Something else up here. Of course, it's smaller because it's like further away. So, not bad. Best I can do. First footballer, anyway. American footballer to draw on this channel. Number 1. Thanks, Rana. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for the support on Patreon. See you in the next one. Bye.